Hello and welcome back to Actually You Life. I just washed my hair and I am going to try out this new wet and dry detangling brush that I found at Costco the other day. This is like impossible to get into. I got it! Okay, so this is a little detangling brush that I saw. I was just like, I like to go up and down the aisles and see what's new. And I saw this bad boy. I think it was only $7.99. It said wet and dry. And it said it's a professional detangling hairbrush. And I'm always looking for a good brush to brush my hair out after I get out of the shower. So I was washing my hair after 4 days, I think. So I tease my hair. I don't usually brush it out before I wash it. So I've done literally nothing to it. I just like popped out of the shower, you know, threw it up in a towel for a hot second to like get the excess moisture out of it. It's really all I've done. So we needed to tangle this bad boy because we got a lot of tangles. So I just want to see how it works. So first, a few things on the box, which is really hard to read through this light because it's clear and it's in white writing. Innovative teeth configuration for dual action. Effortless detangling. Memory flex technology, gentle and ideal on wet and dry hair, which I've already mentioned. Innovative design delivers painless and optimum detangling results. Okay. Economically designed for a palm-friendly non-slip fit. Well, isn't that exciting? What else is over here? It's a little story. Meet Sean P., the inventor and founder of Tangle Teezer products. I guess this is him right here. Do you want to know why he invented it? Let me tell you. I invented Tangle Teezer from my experience working as a leading hair colorist. I soon realized tangles were not only a nightmare in the salon, but for you at home too. Years of research enabled me to create the first detangling hairbrush with benefits. A brush that gave fast and painless results as well as leaving hair healthy. Can be used on wet and dry hair. And then it's signed, Trust the Brush. Well, hopefully he is not lying. I'm really excited to try this. Okay, how can I, it's like, can I get a box that opens easily, please? I mean, I will say already that it just like slid into my hand. Like I didn't even have to think about how I wanted to hold it. It just fit. Like he said. Now, I'm sure you know this, but you always want to start from the tips of your hair and work your way up to the scalp. You don't want to start here and down. But oh my gosh, hold the phone. This is already working better than all the brushes I've ever had in my entire life. Hold on. Okay, so far so good. This is gonna be like the real challenge. Oh my gosh, I am just kind of blown away right now. So this is the part of my hair where I tease, so. Oh my gosh, it's just going right through. So this part, I can feel it's a little more difficult, but it's still doing an amazing job cutting through all my tangles, but it like was phenomenal on the rest of my hair. I mean, you saw how ratty that was just a second ago. That's crazy. Okay, so I did bring my big tooth comb down. So what I like to do when I shower at night is I let my hair dry overnight while I'm getting ready for bed, while I'm watching something on Netflix, while I'm folding laundry. I just let my hair air dry. I go to bed with it a little bit wet and I wake up and it's dry. So I like to part my hair at night so it can kind of dry that way and will stay that way. So I think we'll do a little side part, but oh, my hair just, usually when I have to use my big tooth comb after combing out my hair, it still gets a little knotted, so I have to like work my way through it. My comb just went all the way through my hair. That's pretty awesome. So let's just do a little side part. And I also got out of the shower and had to collect like the comb, turn on the camera, and make sure everything was like set up for me to film. So my hair did air dry just a little bit while it was like all crazy. So the fact that it still combed through my hair while it was in a wet drying state was pretty cool. I mean, it does say that it's a wet dry detangling comb, so I mean, I guess that's why it worked. And then another thing I do while my hair is wet, so I part it. And then I also, I don't know if you've ever been behind someone, or maybe you are this person and don't even know it. I am a person that tells you when you finish like styling your hair, make sure you look at the back of your head so you know what that looks like, because people can see that too. And that's a thing that a lot of people forget to do. They see the front and they're like, oh, it looks so cute. And then they don't realize that like they have a ginormous part in the back of their head, or something's like off or funky. So always check the back of your head after you style your hair, any way you style it, whether it's just plain down or whether you're trying to do something cute. Just always look at the back of your head. But if you're one of those people that does end up with like kind of weird part back here, it's just how your hair lays and you can't help it. I think that if you do what I do here, this might help you a little bit in it not parting and showing so much. So I actually comb back this area right here so that it dries and covers, instead of, you know, just letting it do whatever it wants to do and part whichever way it wants to part. I'm kind of putting my hair where I want it to go. It's kind of like when you change up your hairstyle and you're doing a new part. Like say I try to go this way, my hair's gonna wanna go this way, and you just have to train it to go the other way. It's the same thing with the back of your head and just hair just doing what it wants to do and make weird parts. So I just comb my back and tell my hair what to do and where I want it to lay. And there we go, my hair is all prepped for tomorrow. It'll be dry. It'll have a little wave to it just because I slept in it overnight, but it's nothing that I can't straighten out. And if you haven't watched my class yet, hold on. I did a class a couple weeks ago on this handy dandy straightener, and it's like a brush straightener, which is super fun. So I have been using this on days where I freshly washed my hair when I have like no tangle in it yet, and it works really, really well. I have found that on days like day 2, day 3, day 4 hair, and this doesn't work the greatest just because, like I said, I tease my hair and it has tangles in it. So this is perfect for like fresh, clean hair, but I do think it really works. And if you have trouble with the flat iron, you might want to give this a whirl because it's pretty easy. I'll make a link and you can watch that video too if you want to see like the process of it. But that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about this little thing right here. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's just tiny. It's plastic. It's lightweight. And my goodness, did it work. I bought it and was just like, oh, we'll see how it is. It is the best brush I have ever used on my wet hair. So now I'm really interested to see what it will be like on dry hair, or 2-day-old hair, 3-day-old hair. Can I get the, you know, tangles out? Maybe I'll try that. I'll throw it in a little bonus clip at the end of this video. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned till after the credits. But until then, before you go out and buy this brush, I did get it at Costco. I'm sure they sell it on Amazon. I will find the link and I'll link it below. But make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. If you like hair and you like makeup and you love life hacks like I do, please do subscribe and hit the little bell icon so it lets you know when I upload a new class so you don't miss out on any of the fun. I'll see you soon, or maybe in a second, because I'm going to show you how it detangles on my dry hair. Well, I promised I'd pop in to show you how it is to brush your hair with the hair dry, and my hair has been teased one time so far, so let's brush it. I'm getting ready to go work out, so I just literally slept in my hair. It was just pineappled at the top of my head, which if you don't know what that is, I do have a class on that. This is just what it looked like when I took it down. So I haven't brushed it, haven't done anything with it. Okay. I feel like it's pulling just a little bit. Like I liked brushing when my hair was wet a little bit better. So far, I mean, I just started. Okay, so I definitely brushed my hair. I'm gonna tell you that I liked the way it felt when my hair was wet better. I don't know why, not sure, because it did brush my hair and it did get my knots out, so it worked. I'm just saying I like the way it felt when my hair was wet better. I'm just not sure why. So I think I'll definitely use this brush after I get out of the shower when my hair is wet, and I'll continue to use my other brush when my hair is dry, just because I just like the feeling. I think it has to do with how like tiny these bristles are, and it's just like I just want to feel it. I don't even know how to describe it. I just like this when my hair is wet better. I love this when my hair is wet. So can I do wet and dry? Yes. Do I like wet better? Yes. All right, I'm off to the gym. If you're wondering about my makeup for working out, I have a class. It's called Workout Makeup. Go check it out. I'll link it for you. See you soon.